Oh my god, guys, if you ever know much time that advice over here. I this one nobody wants say. LA Lewis a Jamaica national madman. I love him, I love him and the foolish man. I love it, man.
As Andrew Wallace not going on good like coming for going, but I do love him. And then him there with Juliet Wallace now, you know, say I was always having a crush on Juliet Wallace from a youth days. Yes, because Juliet now used to sell a fall, and Juliet used to but he used to cut up and Juliet used to make up your smile with the world. And
there ain't no gold in this river.
Girl, I told you I love you forever.
I know there is hope in these waters.
In this water, from England, America, Jamaica.
In this silence, baby, that's me.
Jamaica, ex-Jamaica. Whoa.
Go easy on me, baby.
To learn to love you, I told you, I can't do without you.
Feel the world around me.
I was just a boy when I went away. I stayed too long, now I just take you away.
So go easy on me.
I love you, girl. We shall have
There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so
deeply stuck in our girl, you can't deny that you love me.
I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up.
Hey, girl, why you leave me, baby?
I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me.
You know how to choose when you lose, but either way, both way we lose.
Easy.
I'm on my bending knee,
I had good intentions.
but I'm an emperor and he's a subject of the queen. To let you know what I mean. Subject.
Go easy on me, baby.
You let I love you. I thought I told you I can't do without you.
Feel the world around me. I had no time to choose,
No time. You let them so confused.
so go easy on me.
Yeah, man. Hasta la vista. Nisha la vita, Ashaya. Atlantis.